Hello everyone. Our team name is The Conquest and we are introducing a new application under the theme Social Good, the Social Champion. So we always feel there is a gap between the volunteers and NGOs, so this application will particularly help in bridging this gap, and we will have a common platform for both of them where we can match internally what a volunteer needs and what a NGO needs automatically. And we do have a competitive landscape where we have introduced our buy and donate section where NGOs can become self-sufficient, and one of the key dependencies will always be the NGOs will always be authenticated by government sites. Here volunteers can as well go into the upcoming event section or search for the opportunities where they can get registered themselves. As discussed earlier, we will also make the NGO self-sufficient, and they can also have the donate section where they can get money from the volunteers. We can also raise an incident if something is not going right nearby, and we'll have a thank you note as well where you can express your gratitude towards someone. So I'm currently the guest on my website, and I can go ahead and click volunteer if I am interested in volunteering. I can see the opportunities which are present in different locations and what are the opportunities. So I'll quickly log in, and you can see the sign up button has become now show interest. I will search for a location and I will show my interest here, and I will be automatically redirected to a page where I can give the opportunity ID which was given there, and I will give my name, and I will be automatically registered for this event. Now I go back to my home page. If as an NGO I want to register for some opportunities which are upcoming, I can go ahead and click NGO, and I can give the opportunity details, opportunity name, and what are the skills required for that. I can go ahead and buy or donate as a volunteer. So these are the items which are popular, or I can go ahead and donate my money as well to particular NGO. So I will buy an item here, and I will give my name, and I will order now. So an email will be fired to NGO that this particular person is willing to buy this artwork with all the details. I can go ahead and raise an incident as well if I see something is not happening right, and I can give my details and location. So if I give my location as Delhi, it will be automatically assigned to an NGO in Delhi which deals with all these requests or incidents. As well as I can go ahead and show my gratitude towards the other people or to the NGOs, and I can go ahead and say thanks on this particular form, from, to, and thank you note. Lastly, we have a chatbot where you can actually go and register as a volunteer yourself and search for the events for in the particular location. So the opportunity details are given, and I can go ahead and register, and I can come back as well. Thank you for watching this video.